In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Lucidchart file. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Lucidchart, knowing how to save your work is crucial. Let's go step by step through the process, beginning with accessing Lucidchart. Firstly, let's venture onto the Lucid website. Open your web browser and type in lucid.co to reach their homepage. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. If you're not already there, it's time to log in. Click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you're looking to sign in with your Google account, you should see an option labeled Sign Up with Google. Clicking that will streamline the sign-in process, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to Google. Select the account you wish to use, and in no time, you'll be logged in and ready to proceed. Once you're in, the next step is to open the file you want to save. Head over to your dashboard, where you can view all your documents. Locate the file you need, and go ahead by clicking Open. With your document now open in Lucidchart, we'll move on to navigating the File menu. Lucidchart is designed with ease of use in mind, and it automatically saves changes to the cloud. However, sometimes you may need a local copy of your document, and that's what we're about to cover. Look for the File option, typically located as a drop-down in the toolbar. Clicking on File will reveal a variety of options to save your document in different formats. Today, we'll focus on saving it as a JPEG. In the File drop-down menu, locate and click Export. This option allows you to choose different formats for saving your Lucidchart document. You'll see several choices like PDF, PNG, and JPEG, among others. For this tutorial, we're going to select JPEG. Bear in mind, choosing the right format depends on how you intend to use the file. JPEGs are perfect for web use and email due to their compressed size. Finally, you want to ensure that your file lands on your device. After selecting JPEG, find and click Download. The file will begin to download, and depending on your browser settings, you may need to specify a download location. Once completed, you should see your file in your designated folder, ready for use or sharing. And there you have it. These easy steps will have you saving your Lucidchart files in no time. Whether it's for backup or sharing with your team, you'll be able to manage your documents efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful for all your future Lucidchart adventures. Happy charting!